Roll up, ladies and gentlemen. Here I am today with Santeri from Santeri Classic Car Sales, the best classic car salesman in the whole of Finland. Go check his website out on the link below. Anyway, we are here today.
Thank you very much.
No problem. We are here today with his Defender pickup, and we are going to attempt fitting the canvas rear. What would you call it? Canvas.
Yeah, it is 3/4 soft top canvas.
So it comes with the frame, everything.
Yes. Everything is inside of that box.
We hope.
Should be. Yeah. And I have never actually done it for. I've had cars with soft top, but I have never installed one. Yeah. And
Santeri has also had its sign written with his company name on, so it's going to look really cool. So let's see what's in the box.
Yeah.
Okay, looking quite simple. So far we have the frame, in the box is the canvas, and then we have a little bag there with all the fixings, so it can't be that hard. Can it? Excuse the heavy breathing. Well, we've been at this probably about an hour now, and we couldn't get this old hoop out. There's 2 bolts lower down, and it should just pull out, but I think it's been on here for so many years that it's kind of, well, it doesn't want to leave its home basically. So we just cut it in half so we could swing it like a gate to try and get it out.
No one can blame us not to try it hard. We have used 2 of jackets.
Yeah, we used jacks.
Jacks, no jackets.
We bent it, and then we decided to cut it in half and try and swing it out. You can see all the dirt coming out.
Yeah.
Oh, so this quick, easy job is how it always goes.
Some comments.
I haven't worked this hard for years.
But not that guy either.
No, he's used to it.
Yeah.
He's been chopping wood all weekend.
Oh.
Man, there's so much dirt that's coming out. Look. Just using the old rusty rear.
People are coming tomorrow work and they are wondering why there are not any VD40s or anything left in here.
Oh man.
Just take it off.
Yeah, so the instructions say just lift this out. It is moving, look. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Please tell me it's moving. But why is it so tight? Why is it? Hasse's here to help. He's one of those weird Swedish speaking Finns. We'll get back to you in a couple of hours. All hands on deck. This is how we spend our free time.
Nothing else to do.
Okay, update, desperate measures. We still can't get it out. I have a feeling that where the bolt has been put in, it's like pulled, disfigured this, so we can't get it out basically. So we're going to try and drill these rivets out and take this whole block of aluminium. That's the plan. We've only been doing this now, what, 8.5 hours. Okay, update. We've been another like hour, and we drilled out these these rivets. We drilled out these rivets hoping we could take this whole thing off and then get it out on the bench, but it didn't happen because you can't actually get that out. So we came up with the idea to use an engine lift, and we got the other side out, but man, we nearly lifted the car on its side. We had so much pressure getting that out. Is it moving?
Yeah, it is.
Maybe a bit less pressure now. Oh, Jesus. Okay, up. How's it? It's moving?
Yeah.
Okay.
You mama.
Oh, yeah! Oh, jeez.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Why didn't we do that in the first place?
I don't know.
Really simple.
Actually, that went like much easier than I thought.
Yeah, it
like
makes
with
sense.
these ones, like
Oh, gee, oh man.
I wasn't sure at all, but yeah.
Okay, well, Santeri orders pizza. This is the frame that is the same as the one we just took out, and it's been pre-damaged for us in transit, so we need to bend it to make it fit. What was the brand of this?
I'm not sure, but I believe it's Exmore.
Exmore, okay. It might be Exmore, but I'll put in the description if it's a different brand.
Yeah.
So Santeri's already put this one in here, and it went in quite easy, didn't it? And then we obviously have one, I guess we bolt in for the middle,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And then hopefully the front one will just slide in no trouble.
Not so sure.
Not so sure. Okay, with a bit of bending and twisting, we got this one in. We're now going to fasten this centre one in, and then we have these bars that then go between here, and they must go this way round to keep the side flush rather than sticking out like that. And we're just going to throw the nuts and bolts on the floor so they're easier to get.
Yeah, right.
You're always one step ahead, Santeri, huh? Yeah. I was just going to suggest that.
Fucking twat.
Hey, this is a family show.
Sorry.
Yeah, we don't actually have any instructions, so we really are just making this up and looking professional while we do it. Right, we're ripping through this now. So that's in place. We just need to put bolts in the bottom here. We've bolted this in with M6 with Nylox on, and we put these little brace things on. I think on some models you use rivets, but on this it was threaded. We figured out that this thing goes here, so maybe that threads through the material. And then we just need to put these support things on up here. Wicked. Okay, so the whole frame is together now and looking good, but we're going to remove these because we don't actually know what they're for. they click in like the upright position. I don't know if there's like an additional frame you can get for spotlights. I don't know, I'm guessing, but we're going to take them off. And next stage is to unravel the canvas, which is a nice, what colour would you call that? Sand colour?
Sand beige.
Sand beige. So it's time to unravel the cover soon, but pizza should be here, so maybe pizza before the unveiling. Unveiling. Pizza's here. Santeri's just preparing a table. Comfy?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now it's time to get the canvas out the box and see if it fits. Have you actually seen the writing on it yet?
No.
Okay.
Check it.
Okay. Let's put that there. Dude, how cool is this?
Hello, dude.
You can really camp in here, right?
How does it look?
Let's have a look. Oh man, I love it.
Not bad.
It's really not bad.
No typos on the text.
Yeah. So, dedication to classic cars is our honor. Santeri.com.
Ah.
Love it.
Ah.
And check inside. It's like a proper little camping hut. What are these for?
You can hide wine bottle in there.
Oh, I see. Of course. Or whiskey. Well, let's strap it down. Okay, so we just figured out that this flap here goes back on this bar, and then you have these long ties that go back to the middle one, and then put some tightness in this back section. So there's 3 of these that we can pull to the front, and also in the middle you have these little latches or whatever. What would you call those? I don't know. But we don't know how these, we haven't figured this out yet. Ooh,
Light, actually.
isn't that cozy?
Yeah.
Right, so we think we've got this figured. We think. So there's this strip here, and it has these sewn in pieces and these slots in this L piece of aluminium, and then there's these Zeus, how do you say it? Zeus fasteners already that were in here, but they come in the kit as well, and luckily they come with these. So you just put these down. A bit more light, please, son. And then we have to put that down there, but also we should have probably done these second, but we didn't. So I think it's just going to pull it in nice and tight. And then I think this here goes around this pole. You put a knot on the end of that on the other side, and then you pull this, a bit more light please, Santa. And then you pull this pull this all the way through. Right, let's do it. Stop messing around. Okay, so we got the bar in place with those fasteners in, and now Santeri is retightening these long straps that go to the back bar. So as you can see, it flips around the bottom of there, all the way back here, and then tighten there. And now I'm going to the front. So at the front here, I've looped this rope around that bar, you know, this upright bar, and then I'm going to put a knot in that to stop it being pulled back through. And then these under here hook around these hooks all the way to here, and that same piece of rope comes out here, which I think will be tied to here somehow. Okay, so for this corner, it comes around like that and you pleat it. It goes through this hole here, like that, and then it goes around the back of the pole, like that, then through this eyelet here, and then it goes around the back of the pole again. Pull it tight, and then it ties down on the same eyelet. Okay, with these two corners now attached and everything, so when you pull on this, it pulls everything around and into each other, and this side is now really nice and tight. It looks super. Happy boy.
I am.
So for this rear flap, you have these straps here to hold that down, and for easier access when you want to release it. And then you also have this drawstring here, and there is a clip behind this flap that you can just hook that around and stop this bottom piece from flapping. And that is basically it. It looks awesome.
I will move there.
Yeah.
It looks so much
I
nicer
think you
than
should.
our home. More tidy also.
This side is not as tight as the other side. This needs to tighten down here.
Yeah.
But I think,
It will settle down.
Yeah, I think it just needs-
We can also like tidy it by ropes a bit.
yeah,
The rope is not very tidy at the moment.
okay. Maybe I'll undo that one and pull it tighter. Okay, then that is the end of this successful episode. Two happy chaps. Didn't think we'd get it done tonight. But you know, we're not ones to give up, are we, Santeri?
No.
No, so we didn't. And it looks fabulous. So I hope, again, that this video helps some of you out there. And please like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. And don't forget to visit Santeri's website or his Instagram page if you are interested in buying a classic cars. He has various selection, should I say. Right, thanks a lot.